All right, hi everyone. Welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. All right, so in this video today, I have decorated a table for two for sweets and treats. So come on with me, guys. Okay, so this video is a part of a collaboration called the Christmas Treats and Sweets Collaboration, and that's being hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Jennifer at Home, May's Design Corner, Dream with Caroline, Barbie Daily, Rule Life in the Valley, and Secondhand Tracy Ann. So let's get started, guys. All right, so doesn't this table look absolutely amazing? All right, so this, I did some rearranging here because yesterday we had Tablescape Tuesdays and it was MacKenzie child inspired. So I just moved some things around, guys, and I hope that you like what I did. So let's start over here. So I set up a stand over here with my with my Dunn teapot. Isn't that absolutely beautiful, guys? And then my little mini teapot right there. And I put the nutcracker guy right here. And I have two Dunn mugs. One says kind and beautiful, and the other one says love story. And this one is so cute because this one is Cinderella. Then I have some treats over here. So we have our teapot and we have our mugs, and of course I lit a candle. I kept the red theme going, so if we keep going down the line here, I absolutely love this little guy. We have the cardinal, and then this beautiful vase right here was a thrifted item, guys. Absolutely amazing. I love it. I went ahead and I placed my poinsettia ball right up on top there, and then we added some berries. So the candle holder with the candle that came from the Dollar Tree, the runner was a gifted item, okay? It was a gifted item. Now, what I did is I took the little mini poinsettias and I placed them on top of this gold one. Not gorgeous, guys? And then this is, I absolutely love that gift candle holder, and I had the black marble candle to put inside of it. It is gorgeous. We have the flock tree, which came from the Dollar Tree, and this is how I made this corner look to fill up that corner right there. And then once again, the MacKenzie child inspired vase. And again, that was a thrifted item. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, guys. And the runner was gifted. And of course, this is my corner. For the tea, any hot beverage, hot chocolate, coffee, whatever you guys like. And of course, let me bring you back over here to the place setting. So isn't this absolutely adorable? Okay. So this one, okay, so let me show you this. So this is the little guy and this is the little girl. I absolutely love these plates. Okay, so these were thrifted. Yeah, they were thrifted for $1.99. So I grabbed those. And then I did keep the MacKenzie child inspired plate. This checkered plate here did come from Home Goods, and it has like the gold trim. This was a great buy, so I got that. And then this plate right here came from the Dollar Tree, so I changed that out. And then if we come here, we have the white charger. Okay, we have the white charger, and that came, I believe that one came from, I believe that came from Hobby Lobby. That white charger came from Hobby Lobby. Then we have this placemat. I decided to keep this here from yesterday's collaboration, and the napkins. So this came from an Asian store back home in PA, and then this buffalo check was also, I think that was thrifted. And then we have the tie that came from Dollar Tree. And then we have these utensils I left on the table. These came from Party City when they were open, and I just kept the water glass and removed the flute because this is a tea party. And I just have the place setting here for 2 in case we want to eat something first before having the sweets and treats, guys. And then of course I couldn't help but put this fun gingerbread girl. The girl is over here. I'll bring you over there in a minute. And then we have the boy over here. I think it looks absolutely adorable. So I wanted to keep the Dunn theme and also the MacKenzie child inspired. And I am loving, guys, if you go to the Dollar Tree, these come in 3 sizes. And they're shaped like a gift. They almost remind me of a lantern, but they're gifts. And this is a good buy. I don't know, I thought it was a good buy, and that's how I decided to decorate it. I have my Ralph Lauren inspired little tree over there in the corner, and this is what my treats and sweets tea party table came out to look like. And I hope that you guys enjoy the video. Okay, so let me just take you around one more time. And then this is my reveal. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Then we have our treats here. We can't forget the treats, guys. I am loving the black and white with the pops of red. I really am. So this is my little girl. So adorable. And then again, I can't help it, but I love that candle holder. And of course, we love the vase. So I think everything came out absolutely beautiful, and I hope you agree. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.